Hey guys, Qsol Inc is back with another Salesforce video. This is the first video in a series about Lekker, Qsol's QuickBooks integration package, available on the App Exchange. Before the video begins, please like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell so you can stay up to date with our most recent content. Also, please make sure to have successfully installed the QBSF integration package in your org before proceeding with the video. We will cover authenticating your Salesforce instance to your QuickBooks instance. Remember, you can also find this content in the admin document of the Lekker QuickBooks integration package listing. There are a couple of admin tasks to complete before you begin syncing your Salesforce data with QuickBooks. First task is to assign the Lekker admin permission set to yourself or the person who is responsible for setting up the data sync. This permission set should not be assigned to general users, but rather admins of the process, to ensure that the sync configurations will not be created, changed, or deleted by unwanted users. Here's how we assign the permission set. Start by clicking the gear icon in the upper right hand corner of the screen, then click Setup. Search permission sets in the Quick Find box, then click on it when it loads. Next, find and click on Lekker Admin. Click Manage Assignments, then click Add Assignments. Check the box to the left of the users you would like to add this permission set to. Then click Assign, then Done. Now the users with this permission set assigned to them will be able to use the Lekker Admin app. With permission set assignments complete, you hop over to the QuickBooks side. Your company needs to create a QuickBooks app to get authentication credentials for the Lekker Salesforce package to use. The QuickBooks app will have no functionality other than providing a client ID and secret for authentication to your QuickBooks org. The first step to creating your QuickBooks app is signing in to your QuickBooks developer account. If you do not have one, then you'll need to sign up for one. Click Dashboard once you're signed in. Next, click on Create App. Choose QuickBooks Online and Payments when prompted to select the platform you want to develop for. On the next screen, make some decisions about your app. Name your app, check accounting for the scope, and select My Apps Private for the team. Click Create App once filling out this form completely. Next, you'll need to add a URL to the Keys and OAuth section. Click on the Keys and OAuth tab in the Development section. Add the URL shown here to the Redirect URI section, but with your org's domain name instead. The admin document also has the URL you'll need to add. Click Save down below. Your app is now ready to provide credentials to your Salesforce org to authenticate with your QuickBooks org. Copy the client ID and secret into a notepad and save for later use. Next, we will edit Salesforce custom metadata to include the client ID and secret you saved for the QuickBooks app. Navigate to Setup again, and search and click Custom Metadata from the Quick Find box. Click on Manage Records next to the QB App Info record. Next, click Edit on the only record that shows. Paste the client ID and secret you saved in their respective metadata fields, then save the record. Now it's time to connect Salesforce to QuickBooks. Navigate back to the Salesforce front-end app. Click the app waffle and then click on the Lekker Admin app. QuickBooks Connector app should pop up since you do not have a QuickBooks API token saved yet. Click on the Connect to QuickBooks button. You'll be taken to a QuickBooks app. Select your company's sandbox from the drop-down box. Then click Next. Lastly, to set up the process, just click Connect. You'll be taken back to Salesforce. Your app has successfully authenticated if you return to your company's Salesforce instance. You know for sure if you are in the QE app and it does not automatically show the Connect QuickBooks Account tab. To authenticate a Salesforce production org to a QuickBooks production org, you will follow the same steps with just a few adjustments. We will start on the QuickBooks developer website. First, click Dashboard, then click on your app's name. Click on Keys and OAuth under the Production section. There will be 4 bullet points. These represent the steps you need to take to get your production client ID and secret. The first 2 points are easy. Be sure to verify your email and finish setting up your Intuit developer account. Click the 3rd bullet point after your account is set up. This will bring you to where you complete the remaining steps. Under Terms of Service links, enter in any 2 URLs in the HTML format. Check none of the above for target industries. Only check United States for countries you accept connections from. Then click Save. You are done creating your QuickBooks production app. You should now have a client ID and client secret generated for your production environments. Add your prod URL to the URI section like you did your sandbox, and copy and paste the client ID and secret into a notepad. Navigate to your org's Salesforce instance. Click the gear icon in the upper right hand corner of the screen, then click Setup. Search and click Custom Metadata from the Quick Find box. Click on Manage Records next to the QB App Info record. Next, click Edit on the only record that shows. Paste the client ID and secret you saved in their respective metadata fields. You will also need to change the base URL to the production base URL. Take out sandbox and the first dash in the base URL. Next, save the record. Next, you need to update the remote site. Search and click Remote Site Settings in the Quick Find box. Click Edit next to the Rest Remote setting. Again, take out sandbox and the first dash in the remote site URL. Save the remote site setting once this is done. Lastly, navigate back to the Lekker admin app on the front end. At this point, you will authenticate production from the QE app the same way you did for your sandbox organization. Thanks for sticking with us to the end of the video. We provide more documentation than just this video series. Please check out the documents provided by our App Exchange listing or our knowledge base to get more information on this package. Thanks for watching, and keep your eye out for more Salesforce videos from our channel.